Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the look of the Survey Crew menu. So what I am looking at right now is the list view where all of my options are listed in a list format. There is this menu I can scroll through, but instead I want a grid view that condenses things and makes things a little easier to find. So what I'm going to do to begin is in my project tab here, I'm going to click on settings. And then in this menu layout dropdown, you can see right now list is selected. I'm going to choose grid. And when I go back to my menu here, what you're going to see is instead of having this list of my functions, I now have this nice grid with a little bit of a picture to denote what is going on. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you set up the grid view inside of GeoMeasure's Survey Crew. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out. It helps us keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at bench-mark.ca.